Ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, I am back. The one and only greatness. So, ladies and gentlemen, I know I fell off my schedule a little bit, and the best thing for me to say, or what I'm going to say to you guys, is minor setback, major comeback. If you are going through things in your life and things may not seem the way that they're going, don't give up. Continue to have faith and continue to understand and know. You have to have that knowingness that no matter what happens, everything is going to be okay. So, like I said, minor setback, major comeback. We definitely back with the videos. I'm going to be trying to do at least 2 videos a week. And then from there, we can start getting more and more with the videos. But today, ladies and gentlemen, I got a special video. And just in case you ain't know, ladies and gentlemen, I am destined for greatness, and you are destined for greatness too. But today's video, I am going to be showing you guys, in my opinion, the easiest Forex strategy in 2021 using psychological levels. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys my strategy, which I feel like is the easiest strategy of 2021. We're going to hop on the desktop. I'm going to be in the corner. I'm going to show you guys how to do the dang thing, and y'all going to make some money, man. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, let's hop over there in 3, 2, 1. I'm back, baby. Yay! Blood clot there at the top. And I did not say it early in the intro, but check out the greatness brand. Check out the clothing brand. If you guys haven't, go check out the website. You may see some merch on here that you like. This is my brand, and I'm very proud of my brand. You are greatness. We are all greatness. I am greatness. It's all about greatness. So check it out. But we're going to get to the video. So now, ladies and gentlemen, we're on TradingView, and I'm going to show you guys how to use the strategy that is going to make you this money. The easiest strategy of 2021. You're going to understand why I say that very soon. So to give you guys an idea of how it looks, I'm going to just go to a chart here. I'm going to pull up GBP, GA. Boom. So this is the strategy. You can see here I have all of my zones here. And look how price just respects all those zones automatically. I'm going to show you, like I said, major levels, half levels, major levels, half levels. And just the market, this is how the market flows. So when you trade within these, it automatically gives you a target and a stop loss in itself, just because you're going to use, like I said, I'm going to show you guys, you're going to use these levels and play in between these levels. This is how the institutional banks trade, and I'm going to teach you guys that. So we're going to open up a fresh chart. Let's see if I have one without, let's do GU. GBP, USD. And I do this for all my charts, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, this is my strategy. I stick to it. I don't switch it up. We can use GJ. I popped up. Oh, I have him for GJ too. So let's go to GU. So we are on GU, ladies and gentlemen. I'm on the 4-hour time frame. To mark these levels, it does not matter. It does not matter what time frame you are on. We're going to mark the levels first, and then I'm going to show you guys how you trade it. How do you trade the strategy? So first and foremost, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to start off on the 4-hour. We're going to look. You don't want to go too far. This is all the way, here is all the way January 11th, which is not bad. We can use this. So we're going to just squeeze him out. Yeah, we'll use January 11th. Take your line tool, and you're just going to put it right here. This is your support. Boom. So once you put that first line of your support, find the support first to where price is bouncing off and getting supported up. It's called support because it's getting supported up by the line that you put. So find a line that is supporting the most candles, essentially, is what you're trying to do. And you're going to use that and work your way up. So you see here that it's being supported here, it's here, resistance here, resistance here. It plays both. It's support and resistance. So it's support, it was this resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, support here, support here. So you're going to look to the right. This is $1.34. So right here is at the half level. So we're going to put $1.34,500. I'm going to show you guys that why I did that. So price on the right here is for dollars. So this is $1.34 right here. So this is the whole level. So you have your half level at $1.3450. Your whole level is going to be here. Just put it close to it. Hit the gear coordinates. You're going to put 134.00. So that is $1.34. That's it. That is $1.34. That is a whole level. That is a whole number. That is a whole level. This is how the institutional banks trade. If you have $10 million and you want to invest, I'm going to take the line to the, again, if you have $10 million and you want to invest it because you're an institutional bank, are you going to want to enter at $1.35655? That doesn't psychologically make sense. That's why these are called psychological levels, because it's just the psychological aspect of $1.34, $1.3450. Then we're going to guess, what do you think? So we have $1.34 and $1.3450. The next is going to be $1.35. So now you can look on the right side. You don't even have to look at the line no more because you already did it. I want you to do it this way, so when you put them all and you look to the left, you're going to see how it automatically lines up with the market. So we're here, $1.35.00. Boom. What's next? $1.35.50. I hope you said that. So you're going to look here, $1.35, $1.35, right there. Boom. 502. Pull it out. We're going to make it 50. Boom. And then I'm going to do $1.04. I'm not going to do them all. This is just to show you guys how we're going to use this within the market. Okay. $1.35. So next will be $1.36. Boom. $1.3650. $1.37 is next. I hope you guys are following with me. Just whole half, whole half, whole half. $1.37. Boom. What's next? $1.3750. I'm gonna go all the way to where price is at now. Boom. Boom. What's next? $1.38, right? So we're gonna get the line tool. $1.38. Boom. Please chop him up and make sure it's 0 zeros. When you have a half, make sure it's 500, and when you have a whole, make sure it's 000. That is vital. Do not leave more than 2 pips on it. Make sure it's the accurate price action. So we're here. Price is literally at $1.38 right here. $1.38.50. It's at the 50. It's at the halfway point as we speak. As we speak, ladies and gentlemen. Boom. So now, just like this. And so now, this is what I want to show you guys. Look how price respects those levels so beautifully. And you didn't even have to do any work. All you're doing is being smart and being psychological about your trading, and it lines up. You don't have to make things harder for yourself when you see that the market moves in this way. You have to think like an institutional trader. Don't think like a retail trader. Think like an institutional bank, like you have billions of dollars to invest. You're going to want to invest them on the whole or the half. Look, I can't make it up. I didn't look to the left for nothing, and price has respected it. Uptrend to $1.3750, and then it dropped down to where? $1.3550. It bounced around here, then dropped down to $1.3450. Bounced back up to $1.37. That's all it's doing, is bouncing between psychological levels, ladies and gentlemen. You have to understand that. So now we are here. Now, how do you trade this strategy? I'm going to show you. I hope you guys have followed with me, and then I can give you guys another tip too. Something else that I do is I color code it. So for my whole, I will do, let's just say, for my whole, I would do red, and I would text it whole level, or a major level, I like to say, because this is a major level. Boom. Next one, you can keep this orange, half level, and just do this all the way up. Change the color to this one, back to the red that I have. Text, major level, half level. And so that way you have them already, you know exactly what you're doing, and you can look to the right and see. So how do we trade this, ladies and gentlemen? So we're going to look here. We see it's an uptrend, right? Boom. From here, uptrend. So higher high, higher high. We had a little bit of consolidation right here. And this is the root of this uptrend. This is what I want to show you guys. I'm going to show you guys the root of this uptrend here. So boom, here, higher high, higher high, higher high. We're in an uptrend, ladies and gentlemen. You can just look back in the market and just see constant higher, higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high, higher low. That's an uptrend. That's how you know it's an uptrend if you do not know when there are higher highs and higher lows. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. And it just continues all the way up. So now how do you trade this? If you are on a uptrend, you want to buy low. I'm going to say that again. If you are on an uptrend, for the maximum profit, you're going to want to buy low. Because yes, you can trade down, but I'm going to show you guys that the uptrend leg is going to be way bigger, because these are 4-hour candles. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to bring out the ruler. On this uptrend, it was 250 pips from, and that's another thing. Each zone is 50 pips, so you can easily calculate 50 pips. But each zone is 50 pips. So from $1.50 to from this to there is 250 pips on this big uptrend. I'm going to take the ruler again and do this little sell versus only catching 150 pips, risking the 150 pips because you're going against the grain. Think of the market as a current. If it's an uptrend, you don't want to go against it. You can swim against the current, but you're making it harder for yourself. So right here, even right here, look at this big jump and this small jump. This is where you would have wanted to enter on this uptrend here and roll it up here. So now we're going to see, how do you do that? How I find an example closer up here, more recent. So boom, this is where you want to enter. And how you know? High or low. You have to understand that when price stopped here, it's still above here. It's indicating it's still an uptrend. If this would have went below this point, the trend would have ended. So even though it did all this consolidation, it came here, it wicked here. This is the entry that you would have went for up here. So how do you play it out? You see though that you had wicks to $1.36, wicks to $1.36. Price tried to wick right here to $1.36. It broke through. So now it broke through here. This is, you could trade this, but we don't go against the grain. So right here is the indicator. You want to put your box. This is on the 4-hour, and this is how you do it. You start off on a 4-hour. You look at what market is doing. We see that it is an uptrend. I see that this was a point in the market of support where it bounced up. You're going to take your box tool. You're going to put it around these wicks, because you got to see this before. Obviously, this happened before, but you would see that price is wicking here. So now this is going to be your zone, your buy zone. You indicating your buy zone right here with price here. So after you do that, you're going to want to go to the 1-hour chart. Look at this. Bounce straight up. Let's just say you missed that. Even on the 1-hour chart, I'm going to show you guys how you can use this strategy on multiple charts. So now even on the 1-hour chart, look how it still lines up. It still lines up on the 1-hour chart. You just have to play in between it. If you're looking right here and you see price wicked up, shaking. The moment it breaks a zone, wait 2 candles after it broke the zone, trade it to the next zone. These are 50 pip zones. 50 pips is all you need to change your life. From here to here, 50 pips. From there to there is 50 pips. So here, the moment that you see this is on a 1-hour candle, this would have been your entry right here. If I put a box here and I go to the 15-minute chart, your entry would have been right here. These would have been entry right on it. You see how this works? Even on the 15-minute, price broke through on this pin bar right here, you would have entered. No drawdown whatsoever. Boom, like this. And what you're going to target below. And then the best part about it is you can trade both ways. So let's just say price did break through, then you would trade down. This just makes it easier, so you're ready for the buy or the sell. You have nothing to worry about because you're ready for both. You're ready for the buy or the sell. You're playing in between the zones. So in this case, you've seen that it did break through off the retest, stop loss bout right here, and you to the next zone. Boom. Does it hit it? It breaks through. So 50 pips right there, and that took from February 8th, 1 day to complete that 50 pip jump. It took 1 day, and like I said, you could take profit here. You could have took profit here, right here at Quick Scout. That's something that I would do. in just a couple minutes, this is 15 minutes. So in about 2 hours, 32 pips. Because now that's a quarter. You have whole, half, and a quarter. So that's a little bit over a quarter zone. 32 pips you just took. Look again. So now we're gonna go to the next zone. Let's just see this is a live market, and you see this candle formation right here. This is money. You enter in. Boom. You see how it broke through. Retested here. This is another entry. It broke through because you know you're on an uptrend. So your uptrends are more likely than your downtrends. You understand that? So boom, type stop loss right here. No drawdown. Up. Let's put it up to the zone. Look, breaks through. Boom. Now look at this one. Now this is how you would trade this. You get here and you see that this was another entry right here, by the way, higher high. So you could have entered there. But you see how now we're in this consolidation phase right here a little bit. And when you see this consolidation and you see that price does not want to break through, because you see $1.3850, you could put $1.39 up here, and that's probably where it's reacting off of. I could just put it there and tell. $1.38 on the noggin. Yep, $1.38. So price is rejecting off here. It comes back down, it's rejecting. You got to see what the market is doing. It doesn't want to break through or doesn't want to come back down. So in this case, it broke through, dropped back down, and you have to understand now this is a higher low right here. You have to understand that. So the market is changing. This one is lower than this one. The structure has been broken. It's a downtrend now. So now, same exact thing. You're going to trade it down right here. This is the signal. You see this candle formation right here, you get in. You get in at any point. I mean, right here, you wait for the candle close. Your stop loss is going to be the top of this wick, and you're going to talk. But this, like I said, you're selling. Look how the sell does not go to the 50 point. The sell only goes to 20 pips before it jumps back up again. Because this right here, this little retracement is just something on a higher time frame. So you're better off going with the trend, is what I'm saying. When you go with the trend, you just had 3 winning trades back to back. February 8th, February 9th. So you had 3 trades, 30 pips each within 2 days. Same trade here. I will show you guys. Where would you go on right here? On the pin, on this wick right here. This candle formation right here. You're going to get on a long position with the trend. Boom. It goes straight to it. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I just want to show you this. Zone to zone to zone. Every uptrend went zone to zone. Look how even on the 15-minute, look how price just respects these zones. We could just keep going back. And so, ladies and gentlemen, with that being said, this is going to be part 1 of this video. If you want a part 2, please let me know, because this video is longer than expected. I don't want it to be too long. I want people to watch this. If you have made it this far, thank you for watching. I'm going to wrap up this video and end it off. So if you enjoyed this video, ladies and gentlemen, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you did not like this video, you can give a dislike and comment why you did not like the video. Like I said, I will be trying to do 2 videos a week. This strategy here, I said part 2. If you let me know if you want a part 2, but this strategy right here is going to change people's lives. I'm going to say that again. This strategy right here is going to change people's lives. Trade like the institutional bank, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed this video, and just in case you ain't know, I am destined for greatness, ladies and gentlemen, and you are destined for greatness too. Peace.